All right, guys, so we just finished up what was the exact name of this class?
Advanced Tactical Pistol Skills.
Yeah, it's kind of a long name, but it's an amazing class. This is my second time taking it. Last year I failed at the fast coin, and this year I got it, so I'm super happy. But how do you think the class went?
It went really well. We had a really good crew of students this time, so we were able to kind of get all the things done, because sometimes I pull things depending on the students who are not ready. But yeah, we did a couple of extra things in the class. The students shot really well. We had 3 hat pin winners, and of course, coin number 21. Congratulations.
Yeah, there was a lot of really impressive shooters here. It's really just, I mean, probably 80% of the people could run the fast drill, but like when Ernest like puts a timer up on you and all the pressure of everyone watch you, the nerves are insane. Like, yeah, I was like, after I was just like, but yeah.
Especially after you get it on the first run, and then it's like, okay, now do it again.
Yeah.
And it gets really tough.
It's insane. But we got to shoot the mover, which is super fun. Not a lot of instructors have the ability to do that, and that's a huge learning experience, like being able to see what kind of lead you need to have from different distances with your weapon of choice. That's a super cool learning experience that pretty much I think you're one of the only ones that offers that. Yeah, the night shoot is super fun. One unique thing that Ernest does is messing with different lighting situations. So he backlights the targets and backlights you, and then lights up the targets, and then no light. It's you learn a ton about what you need to use when shooting at night. Like sometimes you won't need your weapon light. You can use your iron sights, but sometimes you just use your dot. But it's super interesting. But what's your future schedule like for as far as classes go, in case anybody wants to?
Honestly, I don't know. I think I got a class in Dallas coming up this year, and somewhere else. I mean, it's on the schedule. It's all laid out. It's on the website, but it's not in my head. I mean, I'm lucky to be 2 weeks ahead of time on exactly where I need to be. I get home, I look at the schedule, I book my airline tickets and do all that other kind of stuff. I'm not teaching that much, probably maybe 2 or 3 more times this year. And then that's it. Got to work on product.
Yeah, so if you get the opportunity to sign up for one of his classes, make the time, save the money, do it. They're amazing. I love these classes. But thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to share. And we'll see you next time.
Congratulations again.
Thank you.